My name is Mr. Stevens. I'm the woodshop teacher at Eureka High School. Students in the woodworking pathway have the option to work with other kids in an open shop setting, exploring their problem-solving skills and learning how to use all the major tools in the woodshop. Kids need to learn how to work with their hands and understand problem-solving techniques because a lot of times presented with problems in this class that they have to overcome. And it's that overcoming of the problem that helps strengthen the character of students. Well, besides the hard skills of knowing how to cut wood accurately and putting together a project, I would hope they'd learn that problem-solving skills are sometimes more important than the hard skills that they learn in this class. So as they progress through their craft, their trade, whatever that happens to be, that those skills transfer all across a professional working environment.